Hello, my name is Rashad Singh. Sir, information.
Hello, my name is Samuel. Information.
Hello, I am Nadim Katirashah. I am Sir Information.
Hello, I'm Nilima Nakaya. I am Sai.
Hello, feminist inside. I'm Meg Asalai. Hello, Michelle Cameron. I'm Meg Asalai.
Hello, my name is Malaka Saosi, Taiwan Center.
Hello, I'm Nilasha Mona, presenter.
Hello, my name is Chirag Ramkar. I hear you presenter.
Hello, my name is Paula. I'm presenter.
I'm Sri Prasad. I'm presenter. Many people believe that they control online decisions. Today, we show you that it is not a barrier. And we will talk about the best ways to do important things in life. First, starting to our first job. The best age to start a first job is 52 years old because most people have just graduated. They have fresh knowledge, high energy, and are ready to get work experience. Many people think 60 years old is too old to start a first job because companies want long-term workers. However, it is not always true. People at the age have experience and responsibility and can still work part-time or as students.
Getting married. Next is getting married. The age to get married is around 30 years old because people are more mature, understand themselves better, and usually have stable income. Some people believe 50 years old is too old to get married, but this is not true. Love does not depend on age, and older people often know what they want is a relationship.
Buying your first home. The three activity is buying your first home. The best age is 35-year-olds because parents usually has stable job, stable income, and enough service for upbringing. Some people think 58 years old is too old and is able to buy a home because the road driver may be shorter. However, if someone has enough service, buying a home at the age can still be a good choice, especially before retirement.
Learning a new religion. Nick is learning a new religion. The best age is 10 years old because children are physical and they can learn new stuff easily without fear of making mistakes. Many people think 75 years old is too old to learn a new religion. However, older people can still learn, and learning new things help improve brain